This is a Triumph Tiger 650. It's a nice running bike. It's a 1971. It fired up easy. I've rode it. It's a lovely little thing to ride. Clocks work. The rev counter and Speedo, a bit erratic, but they work. The headlight didn't come on. It could be just a bulb. The backlight was working. Alright, let's have a kick it, see what happens. That was 12,500 miles on the clock. I wish all the Triumphs I had started like that. I'd start more of them. Yeah, beautiful little bike.